Good morning, students. In the last class, we were reading about the Deccan Plateau. So, we will continue reading further about the Deccan Plateau in this class. The volcanic black soil is good for the cultivation of cotton, millets, oilseeds, tea, and coffee. Red soil is also found in this region, mainly in the parts of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh. So, children, in the last class, we read that volcanic lava bed is found in the Deccan Plateau, means the black soil is found in the Deccan Plateau. And what are the crops that grow well in the Deccan Plateau? They are cotton, millets, oilseeds, tea, and coffee. These are the best for the growth. The black soil is the best for the growth of these crops like cotton, millets, oilseeds, tea, and coffee. Now, red soil is also found in this region. So, red soil is also found here in some parts of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh. So, in this region, you are finding two types of soil. Black soil is also found here, and red soil is also found in some parts of this region. Next, the southern plateau receives rainfall during monsoons. From June to October, it receives heavy rainfall. From March to June, the region experiences a very hot climate with temperature even above 40 degrees Celsius. The months between November and February experience winter. So children, when does the southern plateau receives rainfall? So the southern plateau receives rainfall during the monsoon or rainy season. So from June till October, it receives very heavy rainfall. Summer season is from March to June, and at that time the temperature can rise up to 40 degree in the southern plateau. Lastly, the winter season is from November till February. So this is about the various seasons that this region experience. So you have rainy season or monsoon from June till October. Summer season is from March to June, and winter season is from November to February. Next is the Western Ghats include a number of hills such as Cardamom, Nilgiri, Shayadri, and Anamalai. The Anamudi mountain in the Nilgiri hills is the highest peak of the Deccan Plateau. Some of the important cities which fall in this region are Pune, Hyderabad, and Bengaluru. So children, in Western Ghats, which is on the west side of India, we will find many hills. We will find many hills such as Cardamom Hills, Nilgiri Hills, Shayadri, and Anamalai Hills. So all these hills are found in the Western Ghats. And which is the highest peak of the Deccan Plateau? So the highest peak of the Deccan Plateau is Anamudi mountain of Nilgiri Hills. So Anamudi mountain in the Nilgiri Hills is the highest peak of the Deccan Plateau, and the height of this peak is 2695 meter. So this is the height of Anamudi mountain. And here is the picture of how Anamudi mountain looks like. It is very beautiful, and the height of this mountain is 2695 meter. This is the highest peak of the Deccan Plateau. Next children, the important cities. Which are the important cities of this region? So the important cities are Pune, Hyderabad, and Bengaluru. These are the important cities of this region. Next, we will read about the forest. The forest in this region have wide variety of flora and fauna. Nilgai, blackbuck, leopard, boar, sambar, elephant and spotted deer are the main animals found in these forests. The Deccan Plateau is densely populated. This region is rich in minerals like iron ore and mica. Gold, diamond and other precious metals are found in Golconda area in the Andhra Pradesh. So children, forests in the Deccan Plateau have large variety of plants, animals as well as birds. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. So this region has got both varieties of plants as well as animals, and the animals which are found here are nilgai, black buck, leopard, boar, sambar, elephant and spotted deer. So boar children, they are wild pigs. Boar is wild pigs. Sambar is a kind of a very large deer. So these are the main animals which are found in the forest of Deccan Plateau. And the Deccan Plateau is very densely populated. Densely populated means many people are living in this area. And this region, this place is very rich in minerals also. So minerals like iron ore and mica are some types of minerals which are found inside the earth's surface. So both iron ore and mica are found in large quantity here. Then gold, diamond and some costly or precious metals are also found in the area of Golconda, and this Golconda falls in Andhra Pradesh, or it is located in Andhra Pradesh. Next, we will read about the tribals. So ancient inhabitants are unique to this region. More than 30 tribes are found here. These tribes have their own unique culture, music, dance, dress, food and rituals. Some of the tribes are Gond, Halba, Kol and Muria. So children, ancient inhabitants means people who are living in this part or in this region since a very long time. So these people are only known as ancient inhabitants because they are living here since a very long time. And more than 30 tribes are living here. More than 30 tribes, 30 different tribes are living here, and all of them have their own music, dance, dress, food and rituals. And the names of some tribes are Gond, Halba, Kol and Muria. So these are the names of the different tribes which are living here or which live here. Lastly, the Deccan Plateau covers the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. So children, all these states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Odisha. So these states lie on the Deccan Plateau. Whereas Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, they lie on the Chota Nagpur Plateau. So we will read about Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand in the next paragraph. And about Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Odisha, since we have already read about these states in the previous chapter, so that is why we are not going to read it again. That is why it is not given here in your book, because we have already read about it. So in this chapter further we are going to learn about 3 different states called Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. But We will read about these three states in the next class. Today we have finished with the topic Deccan Plateau. So children, that is it for today, and you will revise the portion which is taught today, and you will complete all the question and answers that we have already given to you. So update your copies properly. Now I will see you in the next class. Take care of yourself and thank you children.